A report released by Rolling Out in 2014 has ranked Duval County as one of the highest HIV/AIDS rates in Florida and ranking in top 3 in the nation. This is a statistic that cannot be ignored, yet people are not talking about it. That's where Keepin It Safe Jacksonville, or KISS Jax, comes in. We are a program funded by a government grant to reach men, women, and the LGBTQ community between the ages of 18 and 44 who reside in the populated areas of HIV and AIDS through new media such as Facebook and Twitter. If you live on the north side, downtown, or east side areas or the beaches, you are at the highest risks for HIV and AIDS. Our research has found that African Americans, Caucasians, and Hispanic men, women, and LGBTQ living in these communities are at the highest risks for HIV in the country. We know it's not easy talking about HIV and AIDS, so we've provided a safe place for you to get the information that you need. Many people are not aware of how risk factors increase their likelihood of contracting HIV and AIDS. If you are engaged in substance abuse, have a mental illness, or live in one of the areas mentioned, you are at a higher risk for HIV. Also adding to the epidemic, education and homelessness play a role in the spread of HIV and AIDS in Jacksonville. According to the Health Department, 2,500 people are living with HIV in Duval County and 3,300 are living with AIDS. And even though men account for 76% of new infections, 35% of the cases are from heterosexual contact. Keepin It Safe Jacksonville offers a safe place for educating the local community about HIV and AIDS and bringing awareness to those who are at risk most. Visit www.kisjax.com and take our surveys to determine if you are one of the many who are at risk of contracting HIV and AIDS. You will also find educational videos and access to free HIV testing. Our goal is to help keep your concerns confidential and direct you to the help you need. We also need peer coaches and peer mentors who can help us to spread the word about the epidemic in Jacksonville. We believe there are people in the community who care just as deeply as we do about preventing HIV and AIDS, and we're looking for you. You can help us bring awareness to the stigma and discrimination that continue to undermine prevention, treatment, and the care that people living with HIV and AIDS truly need. You can find Keepin It Safe Jacksonville by searching KISJAX on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Here you can stay connected to the latest news, statistics, and helpful information about HIV and AIDS and apply as a volunteer mentor or peer. Visit www.kisjax.com for more information on how you can become a peer coach or a peer mentor and find out how you can get a free 15-minute HIV test or more.